Hello. Each real estate shoot with Blue Line 99 Media comes with a real estate property website. So on that website, you'll have all the information, photos, videos, or anything else that if you want, you can copy and paste to the virtual tour section of Zillow. So I'm going to sign in as myself over in the lower hand corner just to go over the sign-in procedure. I like to do it with the text message code. So I'm going to enter, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to sign in with my phone number. Okay, and then you click sign in. It just sent me a code. So I'm going to put that code in. It's 313844. 313844. And each time you sign in, you will get they'll give you a separate code. So I sign in. So now I'm signed into myself. Right here in the upper right hand corner, it has my name. And then here are different packages where, and if you wanted to order a photo shoot, this is where you would do it. So I'm going to sign out as myself, and I'm going to sign you in through my system. So I'm going to X out of that. I'm going to sign into my system, and I'm going to find you over here and sign into your account as you. So now when I signed in by putting my phone number and I got the code, it brought me to this page. And now that I accessed you through my system, you can see now your name is up here in the upper right hand corner. So this is the page, like I said, that if you wanted to order a photo shoot, you could do it here. There's all different options that you could pick from, or you could just call me and I would just put it in a computer, which is fine either way. So here on the website, you will see your listings up in the middle here. So if you click on listings in your account page there, it'll list all the listings here that I've done for you so far. So this is the last one that we did in Belmont. So each one of these tiles here has these little icons on the bottom, and what they do is the first one will show you your order details. The second one is if you need to download the photos or video, again, you could do that for up to a year. The third one, which is a picture of an eyeball, that will show you the entire website, the entire property website. And the next one is the website builder, where you can go in and modify the website if you want to. And then this last one is a free marketing toolkit that gives you all different templates you can choose from to make flyers. Okay, so let's view for the Belmont address the entire property website. So you click on the eye. So that brings up the entire property website. So you'll see here, this is the landing page. The landing page, if you look on the bottom, you see all these dots. You can have up to 15 different photos, and it'll just cycle through and rotate through those photos, over and over again. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the address of the house and the information. And then you got the gallery, and then you have the video, and then you can click on here if you want to know where the parks are. You click parks, and it'll show you where there's a park. You can click gas stations, you can click gyms, and it'll bring up all those information for all those. And then it's the contact information to get to you. If you want to see all the image, you can click here, and it'll bring up all the pictures for the entire listing. So I'm going to X out of that. So we're back here on the property website. If you want to copy and paste this entire website to the the virtual tour section of Zillow, you would go right over here to this little thing on the right, the three little circles with the lines. You would just hover over it, and you would click copy that link, and then wherever you want to paste it, you would paste it. So let's pretend I'll open up another page that this is the the Zillow virtual tour section. So you would just paste it there and it would bring back up the same exact website. So I'm going to X out of that. So now we're back on the main property website. If you want to copy and paste just the video, you just scroll down to the video, and this little arrow in the left-hand corner here, you would just click that, and then right above it, it says copy. So you would just click copy. Now let's pretend that this is the virtual tour section of Zillow. You would just paste it, and that would bring you right to the video. I'm turn the sound down a little bit here. So that's how you would do it. So I'm going to just go over it one more time in its entirety just to review it. So let's just go out of that. We'll go out of that. Once you sign in, you see your name, you see all your listings. If you want to get to the property website, you would just click right here. Here's your property website. If you click on the middle, it'll play the video. If you click on this arrow, it'll just cycle through all the different pictures that I chose to be on there, and you could modify that and pick whatever pictures you want. If you want to copy and paste this entire website, video and all, the whole entire thing, you want to copy and paste that to the virtual tour section of Zillow, you just hover over this right side here, you copy the link, and then you go and you paste it in the Zillow virtual tour section. If you want to do that with just the video only, you scroll down to the video. On the lower left-hand side, there's a little arrow. You can click that, and you hit copy. And then if you wanted to pretend that this was where you wanted to paste it, so you just hit paste and go, and it goes right to the video. That's how you would copy and paste either the whole entire website or just the video. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to stop by and show you exactly how it works.